I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make juicy crab sauce. First, ensure you have all your fresh ingredients ready, including a generous amount of unsalted butter, minced garlic, and your favorite spices. Begin by melting 1 cup of unsalted butter in a large pot over medium heat. Once melted, add about 4 cloves of minced garlic, sautéing it gently until it becomes wonderfully fragrant, which usually takes around 1 minute. This aromatic base is crucial for a rich sauce. Next, it's time to build those incredible flavors. Stir in 2 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a delightful kick. Then, pour in 1/2 cup of chicken broth and 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, letting it cook for about 5 minutes. This step is essential for all the spices and liquids to meld together, creating a deeply flavorful and aromatic sauce. To achieve that perfect, luscious consistency, we'll thicken our sauce. In a separate small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water until smooth. Gradually add this slurry to your simmering sauce, stirring continuously. Continue to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the sauce reaches your preferred thickness. Finally, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to ensure it's just right. Now for the best part, serving. Generously pour your warm, juicy crab sauce over your freshly cooked crab, shrimp, or any seafood boil. This sauce is designed to coat every piece beautifully, enhancing the natural flavors of your seafood. Don't forget to have some crusty bread on hand to soak up every last drop of this deliciousness. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to stay hydrated, check out the Owala water bottle link in the description. Along with other fantastic deals, enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.